I've always been a creative person, always been artistic. I've loved to design things throughout my life. I've always loved working with wood. There's nothing more satisfying from going from a tree to a finished product.
There's just so many different things you can do with a stick of lumber. We really pride ourselves on thinking thoroughly about what this wood's going to be and then creating it into a piece that's going to last a lifetime.
When I design a piece, create a piece, I think of its use, I think of the person that's going to be using it. I love coming together with a client, designing something together. I want their input, I want their ideas. We have the passion, we strive every day to create something new that nobody's seen before or used before. It's a fun time to be a creative person.